Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we would learn how to solve the practice problem Java substring. So first we would understand the question and then we would solve it. So let's start. In this question, we would be given a string. Let's take an example. Let's say Geeks for Geeks. Geeks for Geeks. Okay. Now we would be given two values L and R. Okay. L is the starting value and R is the ending value of index positions. Let's take it to be 0 and this to be 5. Now, I need to, get a substring from the main string according to the range given using this L and R. So, first let's give the index value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Now, according to the range, I need to start from the 0th index and then I need to go till the 5th index, right? So, that is here. Now, my output would be G, E, E, K, S, okay? And then it would be F, O, right? So, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? I made a mistake. 0 would not come here. Okay, so I hope this question is clear to you. Like this, you would be given a string, you would be given a value of L and R. You need to use that range and you need to print a substring from the given string. Okay, so you can do it in a single line in Java. So I would be explaining you how to do it. So let's start. 1 minute. First, you need to go to practice. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, you need to choose school. After choosing school, you need to find the question Java substring. So let's find it. Let's see where it is. Okay. Let's go up. Java substring, right? Okay. Here is the question Java substring. Once you find it, you need to click on solve. Okay. So let's solve it. Now here is the question. Let's read the question. Given a string S and two integers L and R, print the characters in the range L to R of the string. Okay. And you need to code the question over here. Okay. So I hope this is clear to you. So let's start. First, I would write return because I am solving this in one line. Then what do I need to return? I need to return a substring from the given string. Okay. Then according to how, what are the criteria and based on how I would get the substring, right? So it is based on L, value of L, comma, R plus 1. R plus 1 is coming because, R is starting from 0, right? The index positions are starting from 0. After this, I just need to add a semicolon and to check if it is correct or not, I would click on compile and run. So let's wait. Let's wait. Okay, the compilation is done and my output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the problem. The problem is solved successfully and this is how you solve the practice problem Java substring. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel. And thank you for joining me today. Thank you.